Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Febrian Situmarang. I'm from class 10-6. In this video, we will show you the step to do push-up. Happy watching, guys!
Step 1. Body position on your stomach. Legs straight, parts chairs wide apart. Sit together with loss. Step 2. Then do the movement by bending your elbows so that your upper body will go down and up. Step 3. Lower your body until eye hurts the floor and rise your body until your hands are in a straight position.